What are the benefits of installing a swimming pool in your backyard? One of the most apparent benefits of a swimming pool is the opportunity for relaxation. In addition to relaxation, a swimming pool offers an opportunity for exercise and physical activity. Another significant advantage of a swimming pool is the social benefits it provides. Swimming pool provides a venue for loved ones to congregate and relish each other's companionship. Of course, the benefits of a swimming pool aren't limited to personal enjoyment and wellness. A pool can also increase the value of your home and improve your property's curb appeal. If you're a swimming enthusiast, do you feel regretful that you can't swim during winter? Don't worry. Zealux can help you fulfill your wish. Zealux Pool Heat Pump uses heat from the air to warm your pool water, so you don't have to rely on expensive and inefficient heating methods. With it, you can enjoy yourself all year round. What are you waiting for? Come check out zealux.